Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 66. In a presidential system, the power to exercise administrative functions rests with the dash in a presidential system. And when we talk of presidential system is a system of government in which the the executive head the executive head 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 is both the head of the government and the states. So, A, electorate. Electorate simply means voters. So, voters. Executives. In self-explain. Judiciary. That is the judges. Legislature. That is law makers. Then political parties. That is informal group in the state contesting for an election. So, in presidential system, the power to exercise administrative function rests on the executives. So, option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.